Assuming you're searching for Smooth Love Potion cost expectations estimate for 2024, 2025, 2030, and need to know where the costs of certainly Smooth Love Potion SLP will go from here on out. We will examine the precise past costs of Smooth Love Potion SLP and will truly figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activities. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you really want to especially take this expectation and each and every expectation with the aim that this generally is just the idea of some market master investigators. Also, anticipating something so amazing is totally unthinkable, or so they thought. Be that as it may, we will basically make an honest effort in a sort of significant manner. We should begin in a significant manner. Smooth Love Potion certainly passed value examination as per the scarcely the most recent information accumulated. The very current cost of in every way that really matters. Smooth Love Potion is $0.043 and SLP generally is right now positioned #308 in the whole crypto environment. Or so they in every way that really matters, thought. The flow supply of Smooth Love Potion is 41.3 of 91,612,491 with a market cap of $179,917,990, kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking. With an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The genuinely Smooth Love Potion's cost has shown a sort of good increment of 547% as of now. From most recent 7 days, the SLP for the most part was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 1189%. Smooth Love Potion in a real sense has shown areas of strength for certainly of late, and this could be decent an open door to dive right in and especially contribute. Smooth Love Potion value. Expectation 2024. The cost of one certainly Smooth Love Potion is supposed to reach at any rate level of $1.49 in 2024 in a kind of significant manner. The SLP cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $0.59 with the typical cost of $0.5 all through 2024. Smooth Love Potion value expectation 2025. Smooth Love Potion cost is figured to arrive at an all things considered, least especially conceivable degree of $0.68 in 2025. As opposed to mainstream thinking. According to our discoveries, the SLP cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of $0.83 with the typical gauge cost of $0.87 incredibly. SLP value gauge for 2026 as per our kind of profound specialized examination on past value information of SLP. In 2026, the cost of certainly Smooth Love Potion is anticipated to generally reach at any rate level of $101, which is genuinely critical. The SLP cost can arrive at a very greatest degree of $118 with the typical exchanging cost of $104 incredibly. Smooth Love Potion SLP value expectation 2027 according to the conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2027, the cost of Smooth Love Potion is anticipated to basically reach at any rate level of $144. The SLP cost can arrive at a kind of greatest degree of $176 with a very normal exchanging cost of $149. Smooth Love Potion value expectation 2028. The cost of Smooth Love Potion generally is really anticipated to explicitly reach at any rate worth of $and in 2028 in a truly significant manner. The Smooth Love Potion cost could basically arrive at a greatest worth of $251 with the typical exchanging cost of $206 all through 2028, which is very huge. Smooth Love Potion value forecast 2029. The cost of Smooth Love Potion truly is anticipated to truly reach at any rate level of $278 in 2029, which is very critical. The truly Smooth Love Potion cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $352 with the typical cost of $228 all through 2029. Smooth Love Potion SLP value expectation 2030 as per our in every practical sense. Profound specialized examination on past value information of SLP. In 2030, the cost of truly Smooth Love Potion sort of is gauged to be at around a base worth of $43, which is genuinely huge. The exceptionally Smooth Love Potion value worth can in a real sense arrive at a limit of $refills with the truly normal exchanging worth of $414 in USD incredibly. Smooth Love Potion value figure 2031. The cost of Smooth Love Potion especially is basically anticipated to reach at least worth of $593 in 2031, or so they sort of thought. The fundamentally Smooth Love Potion cost could basically arrive at a most extreme worth of $0695 with a typical exchanging cost of $0614 all through 2031 in an unpretentious manner. Smooth Love Potion SLP value expectation 2032. Smooth Love Potion cost is estimate to really arrive at a fundamentally the least conceivable degree of $0.85 in 2032, which is genuinely critical. According to our discoveries, the SLP cost could arrive at a genuinely greatest conceivable degree of $0.148 with the kind of typical conjecture cost of $0.874. Smooth Love Potion Value Expectation 2033 according to the figure and specialized examination. In 2033, the cost of in every practical sense, Smooth Love Potion is supposed to reach at any rate value worth of $0.12260, or so they thought. The SLP cost can really arrive at an especially greatest value worth of $0.1D451 with for the most part normal worth of $0.2295, which is genuinely critical. Smooth Love Potion Value Gauge 2040 inspecting authentic execution gives setting, yet it is critical to perceive that previous exhibition isn't demonstrative of future outcomes. According to the gauge and specialized examination, in 2040 the cost of Pretty Smooth Love Potion is supposed to reach at a sort of least value worth of $0.98. The SLP cost can in a real sense arrive at a greatest value worth of $0.48 with a sort of typical worth of $0.12. SLP value figure for 2050. The reception and genuine use instances of a digital currency for the most part are similarly fundamental contemplations, or so they thought. Projects with extremely functional applications and broad reception are somewhat more essentially liable to persevere in the genuinely lengthy run, in opposition to mainstream thinking explicitly. According to the Smooth Love Potion cost gauge for 2050, SLP is expected to truly arrive at a greatest value worth of $318 in 2050, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. The by and large, least for the most part, anticipated cost of SLP coin in 2050 generally is supposed to explicitly be around $73. While the typical cost of the extremely smooth love potion for 2050 basically is projected to by and large be $286. Smooth Love Potion Value Conjecture Facts. How much will kind of Smooth Love Potion be worth in 5 years, which in every way that really matters is genuinely huge. In 5 years, Smooth Love Potion will basically have a base cost of $0.0251 and a truly greatest cost of dollars per SLP. Since fundamentally Smooth Love Potion is exchanged on an organic market premise, its worth vacillates radically in a significant way. How much will Smooth Love Potion generally be worth in 2030, in spite of mainstream thinking? As far as cost, truly Smooth Love Potion essentially has an exceptional potential to arrive at new levels. It sort of is gauged that SLP will increment in esteem in a sort of significant way, as per really unambiguous specialists and business investigators. Essentially, Smooth Love Potion can raise a ruckus around town of the greatest cost of $8 till 2030, in every practical sense, in spite of mainstream thinking. What will be the SLP most elevated gauge cost for 2024 in a significant manner? The SLP cost is supposed to arrive at a by and large greatest degree of $0.59 toward the finish of